Short cycling is when your Midea air conditioner turns on and off too frequently without completing proper cooling cycles. This is a common problem that indicates underlying issues with your system. A normally functioning air conditioner compressor cycles on and off every 10 to 20 minutes to maintain your desired temperature. However, short cycling means your unit turns on and off in cycles of just 5 seconds or less. Short cycling creates several serious problems for your air conditioning system. It puts excessive strain on the compressor, reduces energy efficiency, leads to higher electricity bills, and can potentially damage expensive components over time. There are several common causes of short cycling in Midea air conditioners. Understanding these causes is the first step toward fixing the problem. The most common cause is a dirty or clogged air filter. When the filter becomes too dirty, it restricts airflow through the system, causing the unit to work harder, overheat, and cycle on and off rapidly. Low refrigerant levels, usually caused by leaks in the system, make it difficult for your air conditioner to cool effectively. The system struggles to reach the target temperature and cycles frequently as a result. An oversized air conditioning unit for your space will cool the area too quickly, causing the compressor to shut off prematurely before completing a proper cooling cycle. A malfunctioning thermostat can send incorrect temperature readings and signals to your air conditioner, causing it to turn on and off at inappropriate times and creating short cycling patterns. Finally, ensure you're using the correct Midea app. The company has transitioned from the Midea Air app to Smart Home. Check that you don't have any unintended schedules or timers set that might be causing your unit to turn on and off automatically. Understanding these common causes of short cycling is essential for diagnosing and addressing the problem with your Midea air conditioner. In the next section, we'll explore how to troubleshoot and fix these issues. Start troubleshooting your Midea AC short cycling with these simple solutions you can do yourself. These basic steps solve most common issues without requiring professional help. The most common cause of short cycling is a dirty air filter. A clogged filter restricts airflow, causing your AC to overheat and shut down repeatedly. Next, ensure all vents and registers throughout your home are open and unobstructed. Blocked airflow forces your AC to work harder and can trigger short cycling. Try resetting your AC by turning off the circuit breaker for 5 to 10 seconds, then turning it back on. This simple reset can clear temporary glitches causing short cycling. For Midea air conditioners specifically, check your smart home app for automatic schedules that might be turning your AC on and off unexpectedly. If simple solutions don't work, you likely need professional help. Low refrigerant levels are a common cause that requires a certified technician to repair leaks and recharge the system. Faulty thermostats can send incorrect signals, causing frequent cycling. They may need recalibration or complete replacement by a professional. Electrical problems like damaged wiring or faulty capacitors can disrupt your AC's operation. These issues require immediate professional attention for safety reasons. Prevention is always better than repair. Regular maintenance, including filter changes, coil cleaning, and system monitoring, can prevent short cycling and extend your AC's lifespan significantly. Remember, if you're not comfortable working with electrical components or refrigerant systems, always consult a qualified HVAC professional. Safety should always be your top priority when troubleshooting AC issues.